welcome back to my channel, and yes, it is time to bring you guys my Walmart haul. I hate to say this, but I actually enjoyed taking a week off of vacation. I did not miss couponing at all. I did miss shopping, but I just did not miss couponing, you guys. I mean, sometimes it's just like, it's nice to take a break. It's nice to take a break. I mean, it's nice to sometimes just pay money and do it. But I'm here to show you guys my Walmart Ibotta haul. Now, this month is probably the crappiest month It's my cat. This is probably the crappiest month I have ever seen on Ibotta. I mean, Ibotta is my favorite app, but I just have not seen any great deals. There's hardly been anything really to show you guys. Like, I want to show you guys some stuff, but like some of the coupons don't work at your store, so I don't want to use those deals. And I want to pay as less out of pocket as possible, but there just has not been any great deals. But I try to manage. I had a couple things on my list that I got. And then my store was out of certain things, or just certain things in general. My cat is being annoying. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got. So I ended up getting this Rubbermaid mixer mate. Now, my store had a ton of the small ones when I was there last time, and somebody bought them all. So I'm like, whatever. So these were $1.86. You guys want to use that $2 off coupon. I think we from the 520 Smart Source. I'm not sure. This ends up becoming a 14-cent moneymaker. So I'm going to try to do that deal a couple times. I'm sorry, you guys. I ended up getting the diapers. Now, my Walmart right now has diapers for $4.97. When I went to Orlando, I needed diapers badly because my son just finally is going potty on the potty chair, but I have to have these as backup. But he ended up using all the diapers we brought with him, so I'm like, okay, we need more diapers just because. So Walmart in Orlando had these also for $4.97, so I'm like, that's a great deal. $4.97 is actually a pretty decent deal. But we had those $1.50 off coupons that we got in the June P&G. You guys would just get these for $3.47, which I think is a pretty good deal, you know, for diapers. And Love's is a Pampers brand. These do run kind of small. Like, I get the size 6 for my son, and they do run kind of small, but I've never had a problem with Love's. So if you guys are in desperate needs of diapers, go with that. I'm probably going to try to find more of the Love's coupons before they expire and get more diapers and give them to people who really need them. So I plan on getting some newborns and 1s and 2s because I think for $3.47, I think that's a pretty okay deal. I ended up getting this big bottle of Colgate mouthwash. Now, my store had the smaller ones, I think, but they were sold out of the smaller ones. So I ended up getting these. These were $4.96 for this big bottle. Now, these are bigger than the ones we usually buy at Walgreens or CVS. So $4.96. You guys want to use that $1 off coupon that we got from 2 weeks ago. You guys would pay $3.96 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, and then you guys would end up getting this for $1.96. Now, I'm not going to say this is the best deal, but if you guys are Colgate loyal and you really want a big giant bottle of Colgate, this I think is a pretty good deal, because usually the other ones we get are kind of small. So, had to share with you guys with that. I feel like I got so much more stuff. I ended up getting the Visine. Now, this little bottle is located in the travel section. This was $1.97. You guys would pay $1.97 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1.25 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 72 cents. So it's just a little baby, but I think for 72 cents, that'd be a pretty good deal, especially if you guys want to travel. Now, I got the Cottonelle wipes because I didn't think I wasn't going to do this, but my son just went poop on the potty. I know it's too much information, but he just went poop on the potty last night for the very first time. He just went and did it all by himself, no help. He was so excited. Well, he still doesn't know how to wipe, so we're like, you know, these are perfect to have in the bathroom. You know, they're flushable, and we can just wipe them off and throw them in the toilet. So I'm so excited. We are so excited. I says, Ben, if you go poop, I will buy you a castle. And he did, so I got him a Minion castle because he's obsessed with these Minion things. So had to share with you guys on that. That's just a proud mama moment. But these were $2.28. My store just recently upped the price on these. You guys want to use that 50-cent off coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. You guys would pay $1.78 for this, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making it $1.28. Now there's 42 whips in here for $1.28. I'm not sure that's going to be a great deal, but hey, if you guys need them, go for it. And I guess we'll be using them, so I had to share with you guys on that. My store never has these in stock, ever. But they finally had one of them. I don't know if nobody buys them and just the people who are doing Ibotta buys them. I don't know. Is there a coupon? It'd be cool if there's a coupon. No. So these were like marked for $2.48. You guys would pay $2.48 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 48 cents. Now, I think 48 cents for pain reliever is a pretty good deal. This is ibuprofen. There's 24 pills in here. I do not want to open it because I have so much medicine, but I think the case is really cute, and it's great for traveling, and it sounds like they're in a little holder, so got that. The red ones, they've been sold out of forever. We got one more bag to share with you guys. I ended up getting, I was gonna get the Suave shampoo, but I totally forgot my coupons. I'm just having those moments where I'm like, why can't I remember this stuff? Like, I'm such an idiot lately. I just think I need to be on vacation more often. I'm never thinking. I'm forgetting so many deals and forgetting so many coupons. It's like, bleh. But I ended up getting this Suave body wash. These were $1.88. I ended up getting the Wild Cherry Blossom because I think it smells good. And then when you always get body wash at like CVS or Walgreens, they never have this scent. So that's why I get this scent. So these were $1.88. I had $1 off a 2 coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. Now that is a coupon that is regional. Some people get $1 off a 2. Some people get 75 cents off a 1. I'm just giving you guys a heads up before you guys comment below. Everybody gets a different coupon. It's different in every region. But you guys would pay $2.96 if you have that $1 off coupon. You guys can submit a $1 rebate times 2 on Ibotta, and you can do this deal 5 times, but since that coupon is for 2, you guys can do the deal 4 times. But you guys also can submit your receipt on Fetch. Now, my receipt was really faded, so I'm still having a pending receipt on Fetch and Ibotta. But you guys would get these for 96 cents. So Suave is an item that you guys want to submit on Fetch. Fetch Rewards is my second favorite app other than Ibotta. You get free points just by scanning your receipt. So every time I buy stuff, I just scan my receipt and usually get 25 points. But then if you guys buy certain items like the Unilever brand, anything that has that U symbol, you guys get extra points. And you guys can redeem points as little as 3,000 points, which is $3. So I'm like, hey, free money. And if you guys haven't joined Fetch Rewards, click the link below. I got it for you guys. I love it. And if you guys join with my link, you guys get $2. So that's even more money. So my total came to $16.28. this haul I said was really bad. Like, there was just a lot of deals that just weren't the greatest. Like, I feel like Ibotta's just maybe just slowing it down, but I have a feeling if it's slowing down this month, it's going to be awesome next month, you guys. So be prepared. So I got $7.75 back with Ibotta. That came to $8.53 for 8 items. I am not going to say that is the greatest deal, but the best deal, I think, are these Rubbermaid containers. I plan on getting more of those because those are great to give away to people who need them. And, you know, body wash, so why not? But, yeah, I don't know. I'm still sick. I'm waiting to be done being sick. I'm sick of forgetting things. I just want to be back to normal. So hopefully next week is back to normal. But yeah, yesterday I posted for you guys that I did not want to go couponing. It was just the weather. It was kind of cold. I'm still like, I never got to really relax on vacation because we were constantly going and doing things. So I never really got to just sit down. And so yesterday I just binge watched Harry Potter. I just finished the 4th one this morning. So now I gotta watch the 5th one and hopefully 6th one tonight. I just like to binge watch stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys next week for hopefully some better hauls for you guys. It's going to be a slow month, I'm thinking, so we'll see. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.